Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a beautiful set of holographic nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with an alcohol wipe to remove the rest of the dust from the nails, and after this I'm gonna go in with my Color Club polish in the color Just My Luck, and it's like a silver holographic color, and this will be the base for my rhinestones. And after this I'm gonna go in with my OPI color in the color Bubble Bath. Alrighty, so once again I'm going in with my OPI Bubble Bath gel polish, and the Color Club polish is a regular polish. And then I'm using my French brush by Alpha Brush to clean around the cuticle area. Then for the rest of the fingers I'm going to go in with my IBD gel top coat, and these fingers that I'm doing the top coat on now will be the chrome. Alrighty, so same thing for the other hand. I'm going to go in with my Bubble Bath by OPI. I'm going to do that on her ring finger and her middle finger, and then her index finger and her thumb will be the clear IBD gel top coat, which will be the holographic chrome powder. Alrighty, so I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to go in with my chrome powder, which is the holographic one, and a makeup wet sponge, and I'm just going to rub the holographic powder on the nails. And remember, for me, I have to cure the nails for only 30 seconds. Anything after 30 seconds, the chrome would not stick onto the nail. So it's different for every top coat and every light. So it's kind of just a trial and error, just see what works for you, but 30 seconds work for me. And then I'm going to go in and do a second coat of the Bubble Bath. Okay, so same thing for the other hand. I'm going in with my holographic powder, and I'm just rubbing it in with the makeup wet sponge. And the little makeup wet sponges I just get from Dollar Tree. They're only $1, and I believe it's like 24 in a pack. So they go a long way. So once again, I'm just rubbing it on the nail, and I did that over my IBD gel top coat. And then I'm going to do a second coat of the Bubble Bath as well. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with my Mia Secret Gel Resin, and I'm going to apply some bling. So for that I'm using my wax pencil, my SS6 and my SS12 rhinestones, and once again I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin. So remember, whenever I'm applying my rhinestones, I start in the middle and then I go around the perimeter of the nail, and then I just fill in the rest of the nail. And as you can see, I kind of alternate between the two sizes, and I kind of just fill in the little gaps. So it's kind of like a puzzle. You just move around the whole nail and fill in the little gaps with the different sizes. Alrighty, so as you can see at the end, I go around the rhinestones to kind of just seal them in place, and then I spray them with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my IBD gel top coat on the rest of the nails. So same thing for this hand. I'm going to apply the glue all over the nail, and I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin. I'm using my SS6, my SS12, and my wax pencil. And then I'm going to seal the nail with the glue by applying the glue around the rhinestones. And then I'm going to spray my Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, and I'm going to do a top coat, and we're going to cure them for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That holographic chrome is so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys in my next video.